welcome back to my channel. So today I got all this in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. This deck right here are some soaps that I had ordered from a seller on Etsy, and I opened up some of them and I got really excited just because I love the stuff that's in it. But she packaged everything so nicely that I really wanted to share with you the quality of her soaps and just kind of give her a shout out. And then I also have 2 orders from Simply Gilded. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go over my order from Simply Gilded, and then we'll go on to the soaps. Okay, so I ended up placing, these orders are from Friday's release, the one on August 2nd. And I ended up placing 2 orders because I wanted to make sure that I got the Scribble Prints Co. washi, and I was waiting for the Color Love collection to be restocked, and so I ended up making 2 orders because I did not want to miss out on the Scribble Prints Co. washi. And so anyway, so here is the bows that I got with my order. I got a white one and a brown one. I'll put those with my collection. I don't think I have any of those. And then these are the journaling cards. I couldn't think of the word journaling cards. Let's see. These are the journaling cards that came with my order. This one is the cat one, which I absolutely adore. And then this one is the Love You Always. I do have another one of these, so I may sell this one if anybody wants it. But for sure, I love my little cat one. And then I did get the Color Love collection in the... what is this, the 10 millimeter? No, 5 millimeter. 10 millimeter? 8 millimeter. 10 millimeter. I do already own the 15 millimeter, but I did not own the... it sold out before I could get it in the 10 millimeter, I think. Either that or I chose not to get these. Why? I don't know. I don't know why I chose not to. But anyways, I was glad that they restocked it because I really wanted them. So now I have those. Very excited. And then I also got the pink and blue striped in the silver foil. Is that correct, or is the holographic? It could be holographic. Ooh, there's something on my finger. These are in the beachy striped with the silver hollow. So both of these are in silver hollow, and I did not have these. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I don't think I have any. Let me move my cup. Let me see, where are my striped? No, I don't have any vertical stripes. All my stripes are horizontal. So I've got green, black, pink. So I don't think I had anything like these, and so I needed them in my life. And I didn't think I needed them before, but the more I kept looking at it, whoops, the more I felt like I needed them. So I went and I picked those up. And then this is the Scribble Prints Co. marble with the bow. I don't have anything like this other than Scribble Prints Co. I have her marble bow in gold here, but I don't know, I can't tell if it's different or not. Let me actually take it out of the package. Let me look. Okay, so this is the Scribble Prints Co. in the Simply Gilded, and this is the one she offered in her shop that she still has them in her shop. They were the ones that were oopsed out, so they're a little different, as you can see. This one is almost more blurred. These are a little bit more, like, the image is a little bit sharper. You can see that. So this is the one she offered a while ago. I do have 2 sets of these. And then this is the one that she had at the planner party. And so you can see it's a little bit almost more out of focus, I would say. But I just thought it was gorgeous. I and there was only, I know it was limited, and so I really wanted to get my hands on it. So I got that one because marble is just beautiful in general. I have all my washi drawers over in that direction. So let me bring out just a little. And then I did get the cat. Of course I would get the cat. So I got both of the cat sets. So I got the paws and then the little cats. And I just absolutely adore those. So that was everything that I got from Simply Gilded. This is actually the shop name that does all of the soaps that I've been buying from. This is the second order that I've placed with her. The very first order I bought maybe, I would say, I think 8 soaps. 8 or 10 soaps, I don't remember. I have like 3 left because some of them were gifts, but then everybody just loved them, and so they started taking them from me. And there was, in one of them, she gave me a sample of this one called Spellbound, and I fell in love with it. I was like, I need to have that soap. And so she also had this one called Lemon Squares, which smelled amazing, and my best friend took that one. So I was like, I need it, and she was having a sale on those, on the Lemon Squares, so I bought pretty much everything she had. And then I bought one of the Spellbounds because in reality I've got, I mean, if you saw my collection of soaps, I have an insane amount of collection of soaps, and they're all artisan soaps, and that's what I love. I love shopping small shops. I love giving, you know, small businesses my money. I mean, I'd rather give it to a small business than a big corporation. So anyways, I did recommend her to someone else, and I'm not sure if they're going to be purchasing from her because I know that they're wanting to place in a special order. So I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not. But anybody that I find, I pretty much send her way because her stuff is amazing. And so anyway, she did send me 2 boxes of freebies, and so I opened one of them. I opened both of them, but I really didn't look inside. I looked in one of them, but I wanted to show you how beautiful these are packaged. And so I'm going to show you the one that I haven't opened yet, which is one of the lemon squares. And so let me bring it just a little bit so that you can see. So she packages them all in this little box, and then my Spellbound one came in a larger box. And so, and she labeled it, and I'm not sure which side is up. I think this side is up because one of them I opened them upside down. And she packages it so nice and so neat. And I just thought, you know what, that, because she isn't the only person that I bought soap from. I did buy from other people, but in all honesty, she's the one who's packaged it probably the best out of everybody that I've bought from so far. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And what I've noticed when she's been packaging them is that the tissue and the shredding matches the soap, which I think is, I don't know, it's that little attention to detail that is just awesome. And so this one is the lemon bar, I think is what it's called. It's got the yellow, but it also has an iridescent filling in it too. If you can see that in there, may not be able to tell. Anyways, not that that's important, but so we have the soap here, which is so beautifully packaged, and I love that, you know. And so, I mean, and she packages even to the bottom so that it doesn't get smushed. And then this is her lemon squares, and the shop name is Planet Granite Goods, artisan soap, and I believe she's from Michigan. She's from Michigan. She's got all the stuff in the back. She has vegan and non-vegan soaps, I believe, because I know some of them that she did have tallow in it, but there are some that are vegan, and oh, this one just smells amazing. And so you can see she's got the high top on here with the little lemon, molded lemon, which is absolutely amazing, so stinking cute. And it smells so stinking good. It's like a baked good is what it smells like, a lemon baked good. But it's not like insane sweet either. It's just, I don't know, I can't describe it. It smells so nice. Oh, I love it. So anyways, that one's lemon square. I did get 3 of those. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox my 3 lemon squares just so that I can get that out of the way. And this is the one that I like devoured I completely destroyed all the packaging on it. So there's that one. And I've got my, what is it called? Look how beautiful that is. Do you see how pretty that is? Like it's with the piping and the mica on it, and I mean the drizzle. I mean, it's so pretty. And you can see like the layers in there. Can you see that? So it's got like the 3 different layers. So it's got a darker layer on the bottom, just like a lemon bar would be. I mean, is that not the cutest thing ever? Oh, I just love it. And they just smell so good. Anyways, so I'm actually going to be going in October to the Oklahoma Planter Call in Tulsa. And as part of my table mate gifts, I am giving everybody soap. So I've been buying different soaps to put in the boxes, or in my little table mate gift bags. Oh my gosh, she threw in a little extra in here. She is sneaky. Look at that. This one is Fruity Rings, which I do have the full-size bar in this. Is that not beautiful? That just gorgeous? And it smells just like Fruit Loops. I mean, it is like an exact dupe, and it's got like the little Fruit Loops on top. Oh, it smells so good. She snuck that in there. I didn't even see that. That's funny. Let me see if there's, I don't think there's anything in these other ones. She actually, so I got 3, look at that. Just, and that's just cute. She snuck that in there. I love that. That's so good. And then this one is with my Spellbound, and this one is a larger one. This is the one with the high top, and she snuck in this little freebie that's OMG Olive, and it smells, oh, it's almost like perfumey, but not like intense perfume, but it smells so good. I don't know how to describe it. I don't think this one has the notes on it. It doesn't. I don't know what the notes are on that one, but there's that one. And then this is the Spellbound. Oh my gosh, I just saw something else. I did not even know. Oh my gosh, she snuck in so many freebies in here. Okay, so this is the Spellbound one that I bought that is just beautiful. I absolutely love this. And this one is vegan, and the notes on this one are peach, orange, cherry blossom, and white jasmine. Oh, it smells absolutely divine, and I just thought it was gorgeous. And she's got pictures on her website. I mean, it's just beautiful. And I think she used the Royalty Soaps mix for the piping, so it's just so pretty. It's got like a little star on it with some glitter, and it smells so good. But the what is it called, the swirls on it are so pretty. I wonder if I can open this without breaking the package, or take off the sticker without breaking the package, so you can see. I did the best that I could, but look at those swirls. Are they not just gorgeous? Oh, so pretty, but it smells so good. And I had a sample of this, and that's the reason why I went and I bought more, because I'm like, I need this one. But I mean, they're good quality, they're good weight, and the prices are amazing. And so when I open it, there's more in here. She snuck in more. This one is Blueberry Galaxy, and then this one is, oh, it doesn't have the notes on it. I know it's got like little like planet looking things. This one's beautiful. I'm assuming it's blueberry, but it smells so good. Oh, I just absolutely love, I love artisan soaps in general, but that one just smells so good. And then here's a little sneaky one, and this one is Pina Colada. Isn't that cute? Ooh, it smells it smells so good. It smells like pina colada, like it's a very pineapple-y, coconutty, tropical kind of scent, but not like overpoweringly sweet. I love that. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, and let me just make sure there's nothing else in here before I throw away this part. But you see how that goes with, I love that attention to detail. All right, So let me pick this up and go on to the freebies. Okay, so this next box that we have here is some freebies that she threw in. And I believe this one's 2 roses. I know she sent me roses before. She did send me this one. Let me just check to make sure there's nothing else in here because I don't want to throw something away. But this one is lemon lavender. Yes, and this one smells amazing. So this is like definitely like bathroom kind of soaps that you put in your bathroom, and I love this lemon lavender. It's very like just appealing. You know what I mean? Like it's definitely not something that, I don't know, like I don't know, it just seems like a guest bathroom kind of soap. I don't know how else to describe it, but I just thought this was really cool. And then this one is lilac, which definitely smells like flowers, like a very floral scent. So there's those 2. And then the last box of freebies that she sent, she is sneaky, let me tell you. She just sends so much stuff and it just spoils you when you, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if she does it for everybody, but she's done it in my last 2 packages. Of course, my last 2 packages have been a little bit larger, so I don't know if that's it or not, or if she just spoils everybody. But this last one here is actually a full size soap. Oh my gosh. As a freebie, she sent me a full size soap. Oh, and this one is so pretty. This one's carrot cake. Oh, that just smells. It smells like fall. Like definitely a fall scent, like something I wouldn't say pumpkin spice, but definitely a spice to it. And this one says the aromas are orange, carrot, cinnamon, clove, maple sugar, nutmeg, bay leaf, vitamin, vanilla bean, and cake. That's interesting. That is so interesting that she would have bay leaf in there. But oh, and look, it's got like a little carrot on top, and it looks like there's like mica like in between. I don't know if you can see that little orange right there and the frosting on it. Look how pretty that piping is. And it looks like it has like an iridescent sparkle or something on top. I don't know. It's so good. And this one is vegan, so it almost looks like either she swirled it with something, like something else in there, but it looks, you know how like you have like a double layer of cake and you put cream cheese frosting in the middle? That's what it reminds me of. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? I have all these soaps. Can you imagine? I have way too many soaps, but I adore it and I adore her shop. I'm going to leave her link down in the description. Definitely check her out because in all honesty, she's got some pretty amazing soaps. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.